Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove or reduce echo from your recording in BandLab so your vocals sound clean and professional. First of all, echo comes from your room. Trying recording in a smaller room, less reflective space, or use blankets and cushions to dampen sound. Second step is to check the input settings. In BandLab, open the audio settings. Make sure you are using the correct microphone and audio, having your speakers too close to the mic to prevent feedback loops. You can check it from the settings option and check it from here. Now another step is to use noise gate /EQ. You can click here. You can open your projects or create a new project where the background noise is coming. Then simply click on that vocal or track, then hit the effects. After you have hit the effects, you will see effect panel of the SoundLab. Then choose the noise gate, and you can also add EQ to cut low or high frequency that exaggerate from echo. If you have added reverb, reduce or adjust the settings. Too much reverb can sound like echo. Keep it subtle for a polished natural vocal. And that's it. Follow this step to fix echo in BandLab and get cleaner vocals every time. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.